Amazing fact about skunk. Skunk appearance and behavior. An exception is the albino skunk. Albino skunks are rare. Albino skunks are different from animals with mostly white fur. One way to tell them apart is a white skunk has black eyes and an albino skunk has red eyes. Unfortunately, albino skunks usually have a short lifespan because they have other medical issues as a result of their rare genetics. These animals have 4 feet, tiny black eyes, and a bristly tail with a mixture of black and white fur. Skunks have sharp teeth that help them to eat a variety of items in their diet. Some of these animals can use their claws to climb. The spotted skunk is able to use its strong feet and claws to climb trees. Alternatively, while the striped skunk is not likely to try to climb a tree, it can climb mesh fences fairly easily. The animal's body is from 8 to 19 inches long with a tail that can be as long as 15 inches. The most notable feature of this animal is its ability to spray. When this animal feels threatened, it releases a stinky liquid from scent glands beneath its tail. Though this liquid isn't poisonous, it takes several days for the smell to wear off an animal's fur or body. Plus, if it gets into the eyes of an animal, it can sting. Skunk scientific name. The scientific name for one of the skunk species is Mephitis mephitis. The Latin word mephitis means poisonous smell. This animal is sometimes called a polecat. At one time, they were mistaken for striped polecats, scientific name, Ictinix striatus, due to their similar appearance. These animals belong to the Mephitidae family and the class Mammalia. Skunk Habitat. These animals live in Canada, the United States, Mexico, and South America. Specifically, their habitat includes forests and woodlands where they can find hollowed logs or brush piles. During the cold weather months, these animals stay in burrows to keep warm. Though they don't officially hibernate, they sleep a lot during this season. Furthermore, these animals don't migrate. Skunk reproduction, babies and lifespan. The breeding season of these animals is between February and April. A male looks for a female and wanders around her to see if she is ready to mate. If the female wants nothing to do with the male, she releases her spray to chase him off. A male mates with several females in one breeding season. The gestation period of a female is 60 days. Females have just 1 litter per year. The animal has live babies, aka kits, in a den filled with grass. A litter can contain from 2 to 10 kits. Each baby weighs around 1 ounce at birth and is not able to see or hear until it's 3 weeks old. The female takes sole care of the kids and nurses them until they are 6 weeks old. At that time, the female allows the kits to explore outside the den and they are weaned by the age of 2 months. They become independent at around 2 months old and go off to look for their own shelter. Once a baby starts moving around outside of the den, it's vulnerable to predators including owls, eagles, coyotes, and foxes. It's not uncommon for kids to be killed before reaching 1 year old. The lifespan of a skunk goes up to 7 years, but the average age is 3.